Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip on 8 by 8 inch canvas with flower shaped cup. I will just put this aside for a second. And for my colors, I have fluorescent colors today, but they are not a regular one. They are mixed with Vallejo pearl medium, so I will do some fluorescent pearls today with fluorescent pearls and flower. This is the consistency, and I have pearl, Vallejo pearl mixed with afterglow, Vallejo pearl mixed with mosh, Vallejo pearl mixed with some Vallejo fluorescent paint and with some reflex green and fluorescent blue by Vallejo. And I have my pearl white mixture, regular one, and oxide black. And products for the pouring medium are products that you can buy in States. I'm working really hard on this mixture because I will teach live classes in Vegas on PourCon this August from 6th to 9th, and we will work with products that you will be able to use again. Yay! Can't wait. So I will just pour my black on the background to have nice base coat, and I will be right back. So my base coat is down, and my black cup is on already, and I will start pouring. So I will layer a base of black between every fluorescent one, because they are mixed with pearl medium and they should lace. So we are expecting this color and black lacing. Top kind of black, green. So good. For now, so good. I will spray my paper napkin, and hopefully some magic will happen. We'll just searching for the air bubbles, because with this pouring medium I got some air bubbles. I can't tell you about the recipe yet. Maybe I will even reveal it on PourCon. my students will be able to try it out first with me, because it's something special. I hope so. Let's see. Some colors disappeared, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. So interesting. Pink disappeared the most, and yellow. But I love it. I love it. So beautiful. Maybe I should even go the second row that I poured colors on. I went blue, green, yellow. That's green here is more dominant. And then orange. No, some colors are more dominant. But I did 3 and 3, and here is more, but more color visible, and here I did color black, but it's so beautiful. I love it, and the lacing is just perfect. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So let me take you down for a close-up. Here is a close-up. Oh wow. See those fluorescents? Just yellow kind of disappeared, or maybe is here blending with the green. This blue is amazing. Maybe next time without moss, or kind of want, I don't know, maybe next time I will leave. I still have some paint, so I can do one without moss, the orange one. What do you think? So stay tuned for the dry results. It's not completely dry yet. It's dry kind of till here, but it stayed, lacing stayed, it didn't grow anymore while drying. And I did this black and white one just to test my pouring medium, and this one is dry and it's okay, doesn't crack, it's okay. So I think that this one will dry okay too. I did another one without that orange mosh or what it was, and it's quite beautiful. I think, I hope that it will dry, that both will be dry, to show you the comparison of both, but love it, and I'm happy that this pouring medium works. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.